Hey there, this is Python trainer Ruben Lerner. Software is eating the world. Software is taking over every possible industry. And that means that if you know how to program computers, if you know how to write software, you have a leg up on any job you currently have or that you might want to get in the future. Guess what? Programming doesn't have to be that hard. The Python programming language, which I've been using for 30 years and teaching for more than 20 years to Fortune 500 companies all over the world, is easy to use and it's powerful. Please join me for this free webinar where I'm going to teach you 5 reasons why you should learn Python starting today. It's fun, it's easy, it's challenging, but that's because it's software, but it's super, super rewarding. And there's no limit to the things that you can do and get done once you know Python. Join me. I'll have lots to say and lots of time to answer your questions as well. Looking forward to it. See you on the 28th.